Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 8th and the chart of the day for today is the Nasdaq 60 minutes time frame here. We can see that the index ended with 3 in the primary degree here, 22,454, and now is kind of sideways now, right? It is trading sideways, but we are calling for possibility of another leg down within this with 4. Now another option will be just, let's say, a triangle, right? Because with 4 can be a triangle, right? But I don't think triangle is likely because this one over here actually is I think it broke below the low here. Let me double check. 21,006, 2983. So this low actually broke below this low, which basically show a lower low sequence, right? Lower low sequence. And you can also see there is still a divergence between this low and this low in the RSI or in the momentum. So typically when there is a divergence, that indicates it's not yet complete, right? A corrective structure ideally should not end with a divergence. So if you have a lower low in price, ideally you also have a lower low in the momentum as well. So that's why we're still calling for the downside, okay? And in this case, we're looking for an ABC zigzag in which we finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, and then the B, as you can see, was a clear 3 waves here, right? I think there's no question whether this is a 5 or a 3. This is a clear 3 waves. Which actually favors the idea for the downside because you do have 5 waves down followed by 3 waves up and already breaking below that previous low, okay? So we do have what looks like for the downside now, unless it truncates, unless the C leg here ended here, all right? And why do I say truncate? Because typically when you have a ABC lower low, the C can go to at least 100% typically. That's the higher probability scenario is going to at least 100%, basically can go to 100 to 161.8% extension, which is 2688 to 19807. But we're still missing that. So unless the C leg truncates, then probability wise we can see more downside into this area next, okay? So this one ended 1 of C. Instead of ending the C, that's only ending 1 of C, and then the 2 of C was in the form of an expanded flat, okay? So then now we have done lower again, expecting for the downside now, as long as we don't break above this previous peak, obviously in the December peak 22,454, and we can see we have a chance to extend lower into this area between 2688 19807 next. Now you can see the arrow is turning down because indices have been bullish since 2020, guys, right? Since 2020 has been bullish. So yeah, so there is no point of trying to be a hero, trying to pick a major top or anything, as you know, and it should still remain bullish. And therefore, if there is any further downside, basically the idea is it should continue to find support in 3 swing at the extreme area. So in this case, the extreme area will be this ABC 100% here. So we should be able to find support here if and when we reach this area, 2688, 19807, and then from here we could see at least 3 waves rally, if not going to a new high. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys, for the Nasdaq today. If you want to get more updates on the Nasdaq or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.